My name's Ramona de Cruz. I'm a Year 4 class teacher at Springwell Junior School in Hounslow. So I'm talking to you today about the problems that I've been having with my current smart board.
And generally I've used them before and they have been really good. There's lots of different devices on there you can use. But the problem that I've been having is I can't actually write on the board. It won't appear in the same place.
The colours don't show up as brightly on the board, and because this classroom, two of the walls are windows, there is a lot of glare, so the children do find it quite difficult.
It's really difficult for things like handwriting. I'm having to wheel over a big flip chart every day.
I've had many instances where I filled the board with writing, and if I were to go back to edit, the rubber comes out. I don't know whether my elbow never touches it, but the rubber comes out and rubs out what I've written.
Even all the children laugh about it, because if I'm trying to do a sum on the board and I'm trying to line up some column method, they all laugh because it ends up in the wrong place, so it looks like I'm doing it wrong.
It has been annoying in the sense that I'm having to give a lot of time to editing everything, making sure that the kids will be able to see the things on the smart board from the planning. Otherwise, it really inhibits my teaching.
It's so hard for them to keep their focus and attention for a certain amount of time. So if you're then having to go over there to do something else, they're laughing about that and then you've lost them. So it's really important for it to be quick and reliable as well.
Next week, this smart board is going to be removed and it will be replaced with the newest version of smart screens.
So I'm really looking forward to coming back after half term, to having the new board. It's not just me that's excited, the kids are excited about it as well. So we've had the new interactive boards installed now and things are running a lot more smoothly. I can actually rely on them that I know they're going to work in my lessons. It's been really helpful for children's engagement, especially in lessons like maths where they love coming up and having a go at writing the answers on the board themselves. But it's also helped in other areas like handwriting, something that was really big for us in Year 3. I can now demonstrate the handwriting accurately on the board, whereas before I was writing and it was coming up somewhere else on the board. If you want to show the children videos in science, we've got now a really big screen and we don't have to rely on having all the curtains closed like we had to with the last ones. All in all, I'm really happy that we've got these new boards in. It's making it more enjoyable and easier to teach, and I'm just really happy that we got them, and the children are obviously really enjoying them as well, so that's a brilliant thing.